love our community. We really do. We help them to succeed. It runs 7 days a week, and that's not just on paper. You can ask the people right here in this chat. Ding, ding, ding. And some days are more, it's more activity than others. People have assignments. So if you get stuck on an assignment, we're helping you with that. Now, I'll be clear, mentorship is not where you're going to call me, any member of my team, 24/7 at your leisure. We have a process. The process has been working. That is the process that will continue to work. So you watch the courses. As you have questions, you can make a list of them. You can put it in the chat if you want to, but I really recommend just kind of keep watching the next video because it's usually answered there. And then as you're getting assignments, you can feel free to drop your question after you have prepped your documents, which we teach you how to do. If you still have questions, drop it in this chat, our community chat that runs 7 days a week from 9 o'clock in the morning to 11 o'clock at night, because I have a lot of people on the West Coast, Pacific time, Mountain time, all these different time zones. So I like to be available so they can get help. It's 7 days a week, even on the weekend. Saturday and Sunday, we work 7 days a week. So when I tell y'all I work 7 days a week, your girl works 7 days a week. Okay? I work 7 days per week. But it's all good because I love what I do. If I didn't, I wouldn't do it. You better know that. When I don't feel like going live, I'm not going live because it ain't going to be good. I'm just like, I'm not going live just because I got to. You know, I enjoy talking about notary. So, that being the case, though, yeah, so you cannot just call me and say, hey, Kimmi, I'm in mentorship. You told me, yeah, you do have direct access, but it's going to start with that chat. If I feel like I need to call you, and then also we believe in each one, teach one. So as you're going through the course, Paula, you might be like, what about such and such? Drop it in that chat because somebody else got the same question, and that's how we start out. Now, if I feel like I have to call you, I even ask you for permission. I don't just pick up the phone and start calling you. I'm like, hey, Paula, is it okay if I give you a call right quick? And then we'll talk about whatever's going on if we have to. But most stuff can be handled right within the chat. Okay. Paula said, Lori says, Paula, Pierre, the first step is just to get started. You can do this. Yeah. The first step is just join mentorship. You've been watching me for some time, so you know who we are, what we represent as notary educators. And if it's not for you, you can leave whenever you get ready. I don't think you will, but I do have to put that disclaimer out there. You're not stuck. Paula says, thank you, Laura. I know I'm overthinking. Yeah, let's do this. Tabitha says, notary sign your agent, remote online notary. S. Abdul said, do you show how to do a website? I do not show you how to do a website. We do have website building as a separate product. That's where we'll build it for you. I'll tell you how to do it. You can always Google it. You can go to YouTube University, but we'll build it for you, whatever you prefer. We recommend GoDaddy because it's just easy to navigate. Very easy to navigate. So I have 3 websites. I built them all. So that's how easy it is to navigate. So that's who we recommend. Some people like Wix. Some people like WordPress and all this other stuff. But I like GoDaddy. It's simple. You can do Google Sites, which is, I don't know if it's still free completely, but you can build a website there. So you don't need a website to get started. You really don't. I do recommend it eventually, though. You will need one. Okay. Sheila says this is definitely one of the best programs, dollar for dollar. The training is awesome and easy to follow along with. Plus, you can learn so much in that chat. I know, Sheila. I need to charge separately for the chat, right? Thank you, Sheila. I appreciate it. It really is the best program. That's why, at first I didn't put number 1 on there. We first rolled it out. I had a little, what they call, what is it called? I can't think of the word. I can't think of, but when you feel like, oh, can I really put number 1? Yeah, I can. It's the number 1 notary program. It's the number 1 notary program. The Notary Business Success Mentor Program is the number 1 notary program. It really is. It's all inclusive if you choose that option. Even if you don't choose that option, the startup plan gives you everything you need, and we want you to win. That's the most important piece of it. It's not about the dollar per month. It's about, I want you to win. Right now, we got somebody out on their first assignment. Right now, we do. Thank you for that, Sheila. I really appreciate it. Notary in real life says, yes, 7 days a week. That's real talk. Thank you, Angela. 7 days a week. Okay. Ingrid says, yes, Notary educators cover everything from cradle to grave. She is hilarious. For real, though, we got you covered. I mean, like, for real. S. Abdul says, okay, I'm not computer savvy, but thanks. Yeah, so we'll, imposter syndrome, Lori. Thank you. I'm about to do a YouTube video on that, too. I got it on my list. Not for this. I got a new venture I'm starting. I'll tell you about that later. Oh, you're welcome, Paula. Well, hopefully we'll see you over mentorship. Don't be scared. We got you. That should be our slogan, too. But we're going to teach you how to notarize like a pro. It's not that complicated. We're going to teach you how to ask them questions because questions equal money. And we got you. Okay? Thank you, Lori. Lori says you're number one. I appreciate it. Okay, now I got to cough a little bit. All right, let's do this. Oh, time is getting away. I had 3 more stories. Let me go to the next one now really quick. So flexibility, because side hustles, that's what chat called it, is a side hustle, are still on the rise. Many people are adding it as a part-time business and then scaling up. I'm so glad Chat GPT worded it that way. Because for a lot of people, it does start as a side hustle. Then you realize, wait a minute, I can make how much? I'm missing alerts while I'm sitting here at work. Now, that's again if you're ready to be about it. Okay? Or you may like your full-time job. I got a lot of people that love their full-time jobs. I loved mine, but things just went differently for me. So I had no intentions on leaving my job. 0. But then things just, like I said, went different. So it's not too late. It is not too late to start your notary business. Now, how do you become the preferred notary? Because I talked about that earlier. I'm going to talk about that really quick. You become the preferred notary by, and if somebody just put this in the chat today, am I lying, people that are here? No. Somebody just put it in the chat. Kimmi, what you said is true. Do good work and ask for the business and people will make you preferred. It really is just that simple. Somebody put that in our group chat today. Somebody just put that in the chat. They said, Kimmi, I did what you said. I do good work and I asked for the business. And now I'm preferred. Did they not put that in the chat today? Lori, Lisa, Angela, did y'all see that? Sheila, did y'all see that today? Somebody just put that in the chat. Do good work. That's why most of y'all not doing nothing in your business too, is because you don't know what you're doing. You out here faking it till you make it. You take one job and it went well, It went well. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you, Angela. It went well. And now you're like, oh, let me do another one. No. Hey, Patricia. Hey, Patricia. Thank you, honey. You see what I'm saying? So, no, you cannot fake it till you make it. You need to know what you're doing. How are you going to know what you're doing? Either you're going to self-teach. You are going to self-teach. You're going to watch 2,000 YouTube videos. Or you're going to come through mentorship where we take it boom, 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 step by step. The courses are uploaded in the order in which I think you should take them. If you follow the program, I know who worked the program. I can tell by the questions. I can tell by the questions. This person did not work the program. Lisa is being one of our guest speakers tomorrow because she worked the program. She worked the program. Yep. Angela worked the program. I know who worked the program. Lori worked the program. I know. I can tell. So now we're at a point where they're going to be able to speak. And that's a big deal, guys. Don't think I take that lightly, honey. Sheila says, notarize like a pro. Yes. And Sheila is doing her thing. Sheila was scary. Sheila got out there and she just started. She had a couple printer issues. We talked her through that. So from our person that earlier said it wasn't tech savvy, Jeff handles most of the tech. So we do have you on every part of your notary business. I need to really put that in the description because tech is something too. We help you with everything. When I say we want you to win, if you want to win, we got you. We got you. We really do. So that's not just words. That's not just for YouTube. That's real talk. Okay? So that's how you become preferred.